Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your notification in advance. And yes, if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals, the packages, or the spiritual counseling session that I do, please stay tuned till the end so that you can get more information about that. Your cards are already out, Pisces, so let's start. You've got the card of Eight of Spades and the Hangman in your career. I do feel that you're overthinking and stressing about your career a lot. Like it's not going the way you wanted it to go, or there's something in the past that you're regretting, a decision that you took that you're regretting. It can be the change of job, that why did I end that job, or why did I not start that business early, or why did I switch my field altogether, or at one point of time why did I not study hard in my school, or got into a good college. It can be anything for you that you're overthinking about. I also feel that somebody stabbed you in the back, like you felt hurt, where you trusted somebody and things didn't go according to that plan. It can be a business partnership where somebody broke your trust, or took money from you and never gave it back to you. It can be anything. I do feel that regarding money, also regarding your future, also you have a lot of hurt and pain. Like somebody did stab you in the back, but the cards are really asking you, especially the Hangman, that what are you really going to do about it now? Because for some of you, it's been not just months but years since that thing has happened, but you're still carrying that pain in you. Can you believe what you're doing to yourself? Like you're replaying those memories that are hurting you, and you're replaying them again and again and again in your head. And what is that doing to you? It's keeping you in a very low vibration. It's delaying the opportunities, the future which you can build on your own right now also. Even if that means that your ancestral property was taken away from you, or that means that somebody stole your money or took your money, or lied to you. It can be a relative, it can be a business partner, it can be a friend or family member who did that to you, right? But now what? If you're continuously going to live with this pain and look into the past hoping that that money will come back or that opportunity will come back, that's not going to happen. But all the more reasons that you're capable of building all that on your own. But you just can't see it. You think you can't do it, but you can. So you're so busy looking in the past that the opportunity that you're waiting for is right around the corner. The success that you're waiting for, the opportunity, the job, the business that you're waiting for, which will give you exactly that thing or even better or more money, is waiting around the corner. You'll see that it's very close, that your success is very close. You just have to bring yourself out from this low vibrational energy to attract those good things which are waiting for you to be attracted. Okay? So please move on. You have to move on, and please stop doing this to yourself, like reliving those old bad memories again and again. It's not worth it, guys. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. This was your career. You've got the Sun card and the Two of Spades. I feel that when you got hurt in your relationships, or when somebody left, ghosted you, abandoned you, you started walking away and you isolated yourself. Do you see this person, a very dark, gloomy, it's like a dark energy around him, right? So this person isolated himself or herself, and this person is you, who decided, I'm not gonna meet anyone, I don't want relationships, I don't believe in love, that kind of energy. So you were in that energy. But this week around, something will happen. Somebody will enter your life and they will change your dark, gloomy energy. I got way too excited. So this person will change your dark, gloomy energy into, sorry, the Sun card. Now the Sun card is the happiest card of the reading. So do you see that how your gloomy energy will be brightened up with this person's energy? They will bring so much happiness and love in your life that you will feel alive again. Okay? You will feel whole again. This person will promise you marriage, commitment, relationship, engagement. You can get married this week, or they will be or you will be able to start thinking about it again, because when we feel hurt, we don't believe in all these things. We cannot imagine ourselves getting married or falling in love or being in relationship. But all those things they will now come back to you, because this person will show so much light and so much positivity that you'll start believing in it. So yes, expect a new person coming back in, and this is also a card of reunion. So you can expect a past person, maybe the same person who left you or did not commit to you, now promise you the world. So please make sure that you're happy, that you're open, and that you're ready for anything and everything that is to come to your way. Don't stop yourself that no, I want that past person only. I don't want a new person. Even when the new person is giving you so much more than that past person gave you, right? So please be open to the love that is there for you to receive. So beautiful reading, I would say. I understand that a lot is going to happen when you finally decide to move on from that past hurt, but you have to take this step. It is for your own good. The week looks good for you provided you do follow these instructions. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what exactly is your situation. I'll be reading it and replying to it. Claim the positive energy. So please comment, I claim, I manifest these positive energies so that it happens for you faster. And lastly, if you would like to book any personal readings, I take personal readings as well. I also have audio video call sessions available on Instagram, Zoom Meet, and Google Meet only, no WhatsApp. I do have different packages for you available if you want to ask more than one question. Very commonly asked set of questions are put in packages, whether you are in a love situation, whether you are single, or whether you want to know more about career, or whether you've just entered a friendship and you want to know the future of that friendship. In every package, you will be given a free remedy to remove the blockages from that area of your life. Like, why are you still stuck in a single zone, or why is your promotion not happening, or why are you not getting a job, right? Any that blockage that is there, which I feel with the help of the angels, I will be giving you the appropriate remedy. I do have two exclusive love readings. One is Oracle love reading, which is for no contact only, and the other one is Mystic Red Rose love reading. That is for anyone who wants to understand their connection better and who wants to know whether the person feels the same way for them or not, like the crush has the crush on them or not, something like that. So you can go for that reading. And then I do have two rituals available. One is a blockage removal ritual, which comes free with this package, but you can separately book it as well. Very affordable ritual. It's not like in thousands, it's only 251 rupees. You'll check out the prices of all my readings. You will notice that every price is very budgeted. Of course, there are different range of prices. There are some services in thousands also. There are some that starts with 170, 260, 250, like that also. So you can book whatever is comfortable for you, because I want to reach the masses. I've kept whole lot of services at different budgeted prices. So every price, like every service has a different price range. So whatever you choose according to your budget. Then I have spiritual counseling sessions. So if you think you need guidance, you need help, you need mentorship, your burdens are too heavy, or you cannot share it with anyone because people will laugh at you, judge you, then you can always come to me for a judgment free spiritual counseling session. I will be your mentor, and with the help of your angels, I will also be guiding you what to do and what not to do, what affirmation to say in order to feel positive again. And to make any kind of booking, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, which is mentioned here in my bio and description box, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because I post all these details on a daily basis over there. You will get my prices. You know when my channel is closed, because it was closed for a while because I wasn't feeling well. You will also know what new services I launch, because I keep on posting stuff over there. Here I'll only meet you weekly for your weekly readings, but there on a daily basis you can stay more updated about my channel. So that was it for today. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. It's a beautiful week for you. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.